Hi there, my name is Dr. John Carrozzella, and I know when you select a doctor, it's a very important decision in your life. You know, you can see someone advertise on TV or have a really pretty ad in the newspaper or in a magazine, but the fact of the matter is the most important thing when you choose a doctor is how that doctor is trained and does he have the wisdom and knowledge to apply his training properly to you and your specific individual case. I'd like to tell you a little bit about me. I was raised in Connecticut. I went to the Choate School and I followed on at Yale University where I graduated in honors in biochemistry. I went to medical school at the University of Cincinnati and graduated Alpha Omega Alpha at the top 5% of my class. I was the first fellow in my hand fellowship. I graduated at the top of my class in my orthopedic surgery residency, and from there on I went to practice orthopedics for 25 years. For the last 5 or 6 years I've been transitioning to a health and wellness practice, and I don't do that lightly. I've taken thousands and thousands of hours of classes and study. I started training with the American Academy of Anti-Aging Medicine. I became a fellow in that organization and ultimately earned a certification by the American Board of Anti-Aging and Regenerative Medicine. I'm currently a master's student at the University of South Florida, and I will get my master's degree in nutritional and metabolic medicine in June of 2015. In all, I've spent thousands of hours retraining and re-educating myself to provide my patients with the absolute best and most up-to-date in nutritional, metabolic medicine, hormones, and wellness. When you look for a doctor, it's important to understand what that doctor does. Today, there are a lot of doctors out there doing hormones and wellness that have taken a weekend course or just read up on it, and they're doing hormones and wellness without really understanding the basic underlying metabolic principles. When you come to my office, you can be assured that you're going to have a physician who's not only warm and caring, but a doctor who understands physiology, who understands metabolism, and can apply those principles and individualize the care to you specifically. It's very important to understand these things. Hormones can be very, very safe and effective, and in fact, reduce disease when they're done properly. But doing them properly requires a significant degree of understanding of that metabolism and those metabolic pathways. No, I'm not saying or disrespecting any doctor out there who's taken the time to educate themselves and may not have gotten it formally. But what I am saying is that it is very important that you have a physician who does understand these things more than just opening up a package of cream and smearing it on your skin. Beyond that, I've become advanced trained in Botox and fillers and other types of minimally invasive cosmetic procedures, and we have a full assortment of wellness and well-being services in my office and in my facility. So again, my name is Dr. John Carrozzella, and I welcome you to give my office a call at any time, make a consultation appointment, and talk to me about what medical problems you may or may not have.